Negative numbers. Numbers below 0 are called negative numbers. There are certain rules to remember when adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers. Any number above the 0 is positive. Any number below the 0 is negative. Now 0 or 0 is neither positive or negative. So when you add and subtract numbers, always begin counting from the 0. When adding positive numbers, count to the right. And when you're looking at those negative numbers, you count to the left. So if we're going to be, say, at 1 and we want to add positive 2, we would jump to the right. Whereas if we want to add negative 2, we jump to the left 2 spaces and we get to -1. Now then, a lot of the time, people struggle with negative numbers because they forget that 0. It's so important when you're looking at a scale, whether it's horizontal, like the one we just did, or whether it's also vertical, which you do often see with negative numbers. And the most obvious place for this would be if we're looking at temperature. So if we have 3 plus a -5, it actually means 3 take away 5, which is -2. And have a look at how these symbols look together. Whereas if you had 3 take away -5, you get actually 3 add 5. Remember, a takeaway sign or subtraction actually can make an addition sign. So just remember, 2 negative signs create a positive.